Sicon Service is designed for businesses requiring a solution to track the servicing and maintenance of customer assets, whilst delivering full integration with Sage 200. The inclusion of Sicon contracts provides companies with an area to manage the storage and billing of relevant maintenance contracts, including the levels of service covered. This centralised view of customer assets provides clear visibility of key information, including warranty period, last, next service date, and service history with parts used. Service cases can be raised against these assets, with appointments scheduled via the easy-to-use diary. Details of engineer visits can be entered directly to the service case, or this can be streamlined through the inclusion of the optional iOS and Android mobile app. This speeds up the processing of completed cases whilst reducing data duplication, with the app enabling an engineer to record pertinent information whilst on site, such as appointment duration, parts used, job seek questions, etc. This information can then synchronize directly into Sage 200, ready for the office to check, bill and close, making this a perfect solution for service-based organisations. Key features. Fully integrated with Sage 200. Sicon Service is written within the Sage 200 development environment using the Sage business objects and utilising the latest Microsoft technologies for user interface. Single database. This single view of information provides huge advantages, such as centralised stock management with engineer van stock set up as a warehouse location. Service Portal. Available as an additional module, the Sicon Service Portal provides customers with an area to view their asset information, log new cases and see the status of existing ones, all via a web browser. Key benefits. Log service cases against customers with or without contracts. Dispatch stock to external engineers or customer sites. Track service level agreements per case with colour coding and countdown timer to expiry. Assign service cases to a team. For example, internal support for initial fix, then onto external field service. Allocate an engineer and schedule using the diary. Filters available based on geography, skill, type, etc. in order to help assign the right case to the right engineer. Track profitability of contracts and service cases using the included Sicon Projects module. Outlook Exchange integration enables appointments with details of all actions to be carried out for the service cases to be sent to the engineer's email address. An equipment record can be automatically created upon sales order dispatch. Create appointment and equipment questions that can be completed on the mobile app. Google Maps functionality is provided via Google API integration. This is just a sample of the functionality that's available. For more information, please refer to our website www.sicon.co.uk.